Welcome to Expert Agencies. This presentation is about the basics of wind energy conversion system. In India, the wind power sector has seen a steady growth right from the year 2015, and again from the year 2016-17 onwards, the investments in wind sector has lost its momentum. That is mainly due to the increase in interest in solar power. And now that the goal of our country is to achieve 350 megawatts of wind energy by the year 2030. The main areas of focus or interest includes is in the development of the 695 megawatts offshore wind energy with a height of 120 meters. The estimated potential from wind energy is expected to increase due to the upcoming new technologies in wind turbine, and recent technologies makes it possible to achieve a hub height of 150 meters. And again, interestingly, India has got a 7,600 kilometer coastal line. So this encourages the installation of wind turbines in the coastal belts. Mainly preferred zones for installation of wind turbines includes Tamil Nadu and Gujarat coast. By the research and development activities, it is expected that every year another 6 gigawatts of power capacity can be added to India. And again, the country's aim will be to double the renewable energy production by the year 2030, and this will be mainly achieved through solar and wind sources. And the main difficulties encountered in development of wind energy by the states are mainly due to the delayed payments. And now that the central action market is coming into play, so thereafterwards the financial risks associated with the wind energy system will be highly reduced. Wind energy means the use of wind turbine to capture the kinetic energy. The wind turbine is mounted on a tall tower in order to enhance the energy capturing capability. Numerous wind turbines can be installed at one site, and this collective group is called the wind farm. Obviously, when number of turbines are combined together, they can produce more energy throughout the year. And only about 2% of this energy is converted to wind energy. And as you know, the earth receives about 1.74 into 10 power of 17 watts of energy per hour from the sun. And differential heating, which happens on the earth's surface, is the reason for the production of vertical and horizontal air currents. And again, the air currents are affected by the earth's rotation and contours present on the earth, and this creates the land sea breeze cycle, and this is the source for the wind power. Again, the major advantage of the wind power is that it is available in abundance, and there is no emission and pollutants, hence it is a clean energy. Two different types of wind energies turbines are popular. One is the horizontal design and the vertical design. The cost of wind generated energy has now dropped substantially, that is 6 to 7 per kilowatt hour. By 2005, the worldwide capacity of wind energy has increased to 58,982 megawatts, with the production cost of $2,000 to $2,500 per kilowatt. The World Wind Energy Association expects that by 2010 there will be 1,20,000 megawatts of wind energy power worldwide. The wind energy conversion systems are basically large squirrel gauge or slip ring induction motors, which operate as standalone units or grid connected wind energy conversion systems. Distributed or dispersed wind energy farms can be located closer to the load centers. This creates low reliability issues and proper utilization and improved security of power.